Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of B.G.S Home School. Here I am Mohammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National English Version School. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is multiple choice question from 61 to 80. So let's come to the word. Number 61. Risky labor is harmful to what? Money, computer, clothes, or mental and physical health. You know that mental and physical health. How did the children suffer when they trafficked? They suffer basically mentally and physically, not mortality, poverty or job. Okay. Now, number 63. Why did the United Nations form? With a view to establishing world peace, then for conducting business for their interest, for the representing other countries. You know that with a view to establishing world peace. When did Bangladesh achieve the membership of the United Nations? You know that Bangladesh achieved the membership of United Nations in 1964. And what is the fundamental organization of the social structure? You know that family is the fundamental organization of social structure. 66. What does socialization process mean? Socialization process mean, here are some options: adjusting with new situation, adjusting with adverse situation, adjusting with animals. You know that adjusting with new situation. Okay, so the answer would be A. What does a child feel when it bonds? Okay, there are also some options: hunger, economic freedom, maintaining body temper. You know that it feels hunger and maintaining body temperature. So answer would be number A, option 1 and 3. Bangladesh is member of what? Bangladesh is member of BIMSTEC and ASEAN. So the answer would be 1. Read the text below and answer the questions 69 and 70. Every child is born in a family and grown up there. Man's birth, the whole active life and the ending of the life are accomplished through family bondage. No human society will be found where there is no family. Family is the smallest unit of social organization where the father, mother, sister, brother live together. Okay. Now, question number 69. Which one is the prime and permanent organization in society? You know that prime and permanent organization is school or mosque or temple or family. You know that family is the permanent organization. Which one is very necessary to be a complete human being? Definitely, which one? Education, family, society and socialization. You know that socialization. 71. Sustainable development is such a process which is done taking gap into consideration. Taking what? Taking either present or past or future or none. You know that taking future because it will end in 2030, at the end of 2030. So it's future time. The authority if determining the authority of determining the SDG is what? United Nations. You know that Sustainable Development Goal is taken by United Nations, UN. When was the United Nations born? You know that United Nations was born in 1945. How many goals to SDG, Sustainable Development Goal, has been set? You know that for Sustainable Development Goal there are 17 and for SDG there were only 8. The deadline of SDG is December, I told you before that, December 31st, December 2030. Which country gained praise for the process in the MDG in 2015? India got praise in this process. How many goals were of MDG? I told you before, 8. To satisfy the demand of the increasing population, people are gap. Here are some options: building new homes, building more roads, going to moon. What is right? Number 1 and 2, building new homes and building more roads. So option 3, C is the correct answer. Read the text below and answer the question number 79 and 80. Bangladesh has already made a vast process in some fields such as the death rate of children, extreme poverty have been elevated to a great degree. Not only that, just also compulsory primary education for all the children has been ensured. So number 79. The mentioned process in the STEM helped the country reach Millennium Development Goal, okay? Not Sustainable Development Goal or UNICEF or Food and Organization. Then number 8. Who ensured compulsory primary education for all students? Who ensured? Our parents or teachers or United Nations or our government? The answer would be our government. Dear students, this is all about today's lecture. I hope you all have understood today's all the lectures, and for your better understanding, go to the textbook and read it again, then it would be very much easier for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.